Microdrones team is diverse by nature. They come from aerospace background, they come from geomatics background. Some of the team members are pilots, some of the team members are administrative specialists. So we have a diverse community under the umbrella of Microdrones, and that community established by Microdrones between Germany, Canada, and the United States, they're always working in harmony.
We have offices in Germany, in Siegen. We have office in Montreal, in Canada. And I think that these are big spaces, big enough areas to draw that talent in. And we have people come from all over the world.
I think what Microdrone is it's a so dynamic company that all the employees bring something new, something different.
Working with the Microdrones team is fantastic. I go to work and interact with brilliant people who are building the technology of tomorrow.
I started to be involved in the geospatial field about 30 years ago when I went for my education. I started my career right after I finished grad school, and that actually gave me a good comprehension of the necessary user needs assessment that I need to go through to produce professional grade mapping, data acquisition, data processing, and workflows for the right application and the right market segment.
So my background is in mobile mapping. So now I'm the UAV industry, but it's on the LiDAR integration.
I was one of the first employees in our American office to fly with the Microdrone. So I was trained in Germany on operating the systems. And I actually operated them on and off for demonstration purposes for about 2 years. And it is fun. When you take off, it actually feels like you're flying that and making it go. Like you can feel it.
You know, we have some of the best talent here. You come up with new ways to tackle problems every single day. You know, some of our dealers are really high level. We make sure our customers are taken care of.
There is a sense of family almost here. Everyone helps each other. There's no hidden agendas. We work together as a team.
The Microdrones employees are unique because we're all following that one idea to build up the company and the solutions to make the customers happy and to offer whatever is needed to accomplish their missions and their projects.
Microdrones, kind of definition, everybody has the word drone in there. But at the end of the day, it's a combination of the complete package. So what do we have underneath the drone? Collecting data. And then what are we doing with that data after the fact? So Microdrones, although a drone company, is a whole lot more. So to me, that's the exciting part of it.